All right, guys. So Alibaba reported earnings today. It's 2.2% down. So I'm not going to be talking too much about this name. We're going to take a look at the technical levels I'm watching for this name. Yes, we covered and everything we talked about. If you're old, I'm just basically building every time I make a video about what I have told before. So I'm not going to be covering what I have already discussed again and again. Okay, so yeah, we told that everybody sold puts or calls and capitalized on implied volatility. IV has crushed, so premiums are a lot cheaper now. Average true range has dropped to $3. Okay, to summarize, and now 200-day moving average. Is it getting attractive here? Possibly. It's filling at least. So all that stimulus hype is pretty much, consider it 100% gone, because price has gone. And when it comes to like all those billionaires who were screaming buy everything China, well, not zero. I have a negative respect for those people when they do that, okay? Because I know they dump it every time market is volatile or any asset is going crazy. I mean, CNBC is the last thing you want to hear, okay? Or you want to do exact opposite of whatever they are preaching, okay? So let's take a look at this. So at the moment, in terms of fundamentals, I'm not like really deep into fundamentals. Surface level, yes, relatively cheap tech stock, 18 PE. If you go take a look at US tech and pull up the PE, I mean, look at it. I mean, we are trading in 30s and 40s, our tech. Amazon trading at 43 times. I mean, Nvidia 66. I mean, look at these PEs. Like, these are insanity, okay? In that sense, yes, it is a lot cheaper. But another thing is, it's freaking ADR, okay? It's listed in another country, or, I mean, stimulus is gone. I think they're going to wait now. I don't think. What about HSI? Let's quickly take a look at HSI. What's going on Hong Kong? Quickly. Okay, it's pulling back, but it hasn't pulled back everything, but it has pulled back significantly. So my point here with this video. So levels, low 80s, probably attractive. But if you're going to build a position around this stock, and especially if you're going to trade options, I will stress once again, do not trade short term on this one, okay? It swings up and down, especially if you're swinging. If you have at least 3 months horizon, go with at least like 1 year option contracts. Okay, don't trade, especially when option contracts have come down significantly already. So let's say January 2026 premiums, those have come down significantly. So, and also I would stay close to the money. Let's say $100 strike price 1 year from now, exactly, a little bit more than 1 year, 2026. Let's take a look at the premium, how it changed 2026, and just compare it to very recent relative price action that we had. So it's trading at $10, but if you think that this stock will move towards like $100 and you will probably make double your money, time will save your position. It has gone up before the pump from almost like $8-9ish all the way to 32. So it's 3x leaps. Okay, these are long-term options, and come right back down to $10.62. So if I would trade options, if I don't want to lose money, and I think I'm pretty bullish on this stock, I mean, I'm neutral at this point, I would go with leaps, okay? I would go very long term, at least 1 year out. And also, in terms of levels, I think it can come down to lower 80s, okay? Overall, US stocks today, we sold off quite a bit, and it was pretty big option expiration too. So a lot of people who took advantage of selling premium, they capitalized on that premium. So now to the upside potential would be, first I would watch this stock basically flush out. It can come down a little bit lower, low 80s, and then if it tries to go higher, that would be your 200-day moving average, okay? If it tries to go higher, Now your psychological resistance area would be these $85-ish area, $95-ish area, and then 100 and 101. So this is the zone, okay? So unless it clears these levels, unless it forms an uptrend, again, I told it about this one last time too, unless it forms like multi-day uptrend, even though if it's messy like this, I'm not interested to going long because I trade options, and with options you can be very patient. You can be very patient, let the stock define the move direction it wants to pick, and then go long. But if you take a look at it like this, zoom out a little bit year to date, yeah, we have sort of an uptrend, but this sell-off, there's so many back holders right now trapped in this name. That's crazy. But PE is cheap, yes. Revenue, are their revenue growing year over year? Yes, it is growing. Are they buying back shares? Yes, they're buying back shares. But again, it's just the only thing that is going against this stock, it's just not USA based company. That's it. I think this is just purely my opinion. So that's the update for Alibaba. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.